Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best screen recorder app which you can use for your YouTube purpose and also for your tutorial purpose. The name of the screen recorder is Screen Recorder Pro. So you have to go to the Google and there you can type Screen Recorder Pro. So once you press the enter, you can see the very first option which is coming as a Screen Recorder Pro for Windows 10 Microsoft apps, and it is available in the Microsoft Store. So click on this first option, and this is the one which you have to install in your machine. And you can see here there is option called Get It in a Store app, and it is a free version. So this is a free software, and there is a no issue of any watermarks or any advertisements and all. The operation is very smooth, and even this video I am recording with this software only. After installing the software, you have to do some basic setups, and which I am going to show you right now. So this is the software, and you can see the software is running right now. You can note down this software setting currently I am having right now. In case you want to use the webcam, there is a drop down where you can select your webcams accordingly. The audio section setup is like if you go to this drop down, I have opted this setups, and very important, the quality should be in the range of this blue highlighted things which is there in this bar. This blue range setups are like the optimized setup which this software has calculated based on your machine hardware availability. And in the last you can see here this is the output folder, and you can see this is the place where your all your recorded screens will get stored. So I hope this video is helpful for you. You can install this software. It's a free software, and this serves the purpose a lot. Thanks for watching this. Have a nice day. Bye bye.